Hi, I'm Tony, and today I'd like to give you a quick overview of the Knick Portavo 907 Multi Portable Meter. Let's take a look at what's inside the box when you receive your Portavo. Of course, you receive your portable meter, 4 AA batteries, a MicroUSB cable, carrying strap, manual with quick reference guide on the back, safety instructions, a test certificate of the device, and lastly, a CD-ROM, which includes digital copies of all documentation as well as Parallel SW112 software. The software allows you to collect MemoSense sensor data by connecting your Portavo to your PC. If you lose this CD, you can download the software free of charge from our website. I should note, however, that this is not MemoSuite software. If you are interested in MemoSuite, please contact your local representative. Let's talk about the design of the Portavo 907 Multi. The front of the meter has a protective cover, which can be completely flipped over and secured to the back for operation. A fold-out hook on the back allows you to hang up the meter. You can also prop up the meter for benchtop use by folding back the protective cover and securing it to the hook. It also comes with an integrated quiver for sensor storage. Remember, if you're using a pH sensor, you must use some storage or buffer solution in the quiver to prevent the sensor from drying out. Now, let's review the Portavo's keypad and its functions. The on-off button is used to power on or turn off the device. The measure button can also be used to power on the device, but the main functionality of the measure button is toggling of the display screen. The top left and right buttons are the soft keys. The functionality of these keys is displayed above each button. The arrow keys allow you to navigate the menu, and the enter button confirms an adjustment. The Portavo has a variety of ports along the top of the device. Let's take a look and explain the use of each. First, we have a MicroUSB port. This is used to export data to MemoSuite or Parallel SW112 software. If you purchase the rechargeable battery pack, you can also charge the batteries through this port. Next is an M8 4-pin MemoSense connection. This will allow you to connect MemoSense sensors to the device. We have ports for connecting a separate temperature detector. And then lastly, we have an M12 connection. What connects to the M12 connection is dependent upon the variant of Portavo which you have purchased. For example, with the 907 Multi-pH, you can connect an analog pH sensor, but not an analog conductivity or oxygen sensor. To connect an analog conductivity sensor, you would need a 907 Multi-Cond. On a Portavo 907 Multi-Oxy, this port is also used to connect a MemoSense M12 cable. This concludes the basic overview of the Knick Portavo 907 Multi Portable Meter. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our setup and configuration video.